I love murals because I love history, and murals is a way to tell the history through drawings, through paint. This mural is the embodiment of the geographic history of San Francisco. A long time ago, this was a part of the bay. My inspiration was to recreate the water that used to run in this area. The art is for everybody, and the murals is on the street, so everybody can see the mural. It's gonna take me 12 to 15 days, full days, to finish this mural. The first thing that I notice is that people like it. You know, people like the change, people like the colors, people like the movement of the water. This mural now is part of the city. It's part of the city, and I want people to take care of the mural. This is one step towards the redevelopment of San Francisco.